We've had a record number of asteroids whizzing past our Earth in 2020. Alexander Witz, Nature magazine. Now, a 340-meter wide space rock, about 1,000 feet across, named Apophis, the Apophis asteroid, whizzed safely past our Earth on March 6. The next time it returns will be in 2029, and it will not be so uneventful. Apophis will come within 40,000 kilometers of our planet, skimming just above the region where some high-flying satellites are orbiting our Earth, and it will be the first time that astronomers will be able to watch such a big asteroid pass us so close. Last week's flyby gave scientists a chance to test the worldwide planetary defense system, in which astronomers quickly assess the chances of an asteroid hitting our Earth as they follow its path across the night sky. It's a fire drill with a real asteroid. This is what Vishnu Reddy said. He's planetary scientist at the University of Arizona in Tucson, who coordinated the observing campaign. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. The Apophis flyby highlights how much astronomers have learned about near-Earth asteroids and how much they still have to learn. Since 1998, when NASA kicked off the biggest search for near-Earth asteroids, scientists have detected more than 25,000 of them. And 2020 turned out to be a record year for discovery of such asteroids. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic interrupting many of the surveys, astronomers cataloged 2,958 previously unknown near-Earth asteroids over the course of 1 year. And this is what was recorded for the near-Earth asteroid discoveries from 1995 up to 2020. And as we see, 2021 is also heading off to a very big start. Now, a large number came from the Catalina Sky Survey, which uses 3 telescopes in Arizona to hunt for threatening space rocks. Operations closed briefly last spring because of the pandemic, and a wildfire in June caused a longer closure, yet the Catalina Survey still discovered 1,548 near-Earth objects. These include a rare mini-moon named 2020 CD3, a tiny asteroid less than 3 meters in diameter that had been temporarily captured by Earth's gravity. The mini-moon broke away from our Earth's pull last April. Another batch of discoveries last year, 1,152, came from Pan-STARRS survey telescopes in Hawaii. The finds include an object named 220SO, which turned out to not to be an asteroid but a leftover rocket booster that had been looping around space since it helped to launch a NASA mission to the moon back in 1966. Close calls. Some of the asteroids discovered last year came close to Earth. At least 107 of them passed the planet at a distance less than that of our moon. And last year's close shaves include the tiny asteroid 220 QG. It skimmed just 2,950 kilometers above the Indian Ocean in August. That made it the closest known approach, a record broken just 3 months later by another small object, 220 VT4. That one passed less than 400 kilometers from our planet and was not spotted until 15 hours after it whizzed by. Had it hit, it would probably have broken apart in our Earth's atmosphere. So all of these discoveries are making astronomers more cautious of the billiard ball nature of our solar system, where plenty of asteroids ping around in the space near Earth. The recent push to observe Apophis highlights how astronomers around the world can work together to assess the threat posed by asteroids, Reddy says. That is, asteroid impacts. It's been a huge international effort, he said, and a lot of fun. By the time Apophis comes around again in 8 years' time, scientists will have an even more detailed census of threatening space rocks. The thing is what to do if one is to be impacting us. Because as the things stand today, we don't have the technology to steer them away yet. This is Unbended Reality by Alexandra Witz, Nature. Please leave your comments, and thank you so much for your support.